Okay, so for time's sake, we need, I'm just going to start with the answers, okay, because this problem is crazy. There's like 8 sigma notation summations, and I'm like, I'm not going to do 8 problems to get 4 right, but we'll show you why these are the right answers. So, I don't know how they expect a kid to do this in a minute and a half. Let's go ahead and get started. So the way that we can match this up is we can just plug these into the explicit form like this into our calculators and then look at the table of values. So the first one is 3 times 5 raised to the x. I'm going to have to say x. I could put n, but I'll just put x. The next one is 2 times 3 raised to the x. Oops, I forgot to delete and clear all this stuff out. 3 raised to the x. The next one is 4 times 8 raised to the x. The next one is 3 times 4 raised to the x. And now if I hit the table of values, it's going to tell me which is which. So let me take a screenshot of this because I think they only go up to 4 on all these. And so as you can see here, well, maybe I'll just slide it down here. No, you can't see everything. We'll just put it over here. Make it a little tinier, I guess. So it all fits. The first one matches because it's 3 plus 15 plus 75 plus 375 plus 1875. So 3, 15, 75, 375, 1875. This one's accurate because it's 2, 6, 18, 54. In other words, we're multiplying by 3 to get the next number. That's what this means. This one we're multiplying by 5 to get the next number. This one we're multiplying by, you could do it that way too. I mean, that's a shortcut way to do it. In other words, to get this one from here to here, I multiply by 3, right? Or not 3, 5. So your initial number is 3, right? And then you're multiplying by 5 each time. So that's the number that you multiply by is the rate. So this one, we start with 2. This is 2. And then we multiply by 3. This one, we start with 4. And we multiply by 8. This one, we start with the number 3. And then we multiply by 4. So these are all geometric series summations. So you could do it in a calculator, or you could just figure it out by hand by figuring out what your initial condition is and what the common ratio is. I said rate. I get confused because I just did a rate problem. So for a geometric series, it's called a common ratio. Okay? I hope that helps. I'm really